So welcome to our brand new video. You can see in front of my screen there is a YouTube search list of CPA marketing tutorial. So in this video I will show you some most important website for promoting CPA offers that can generate millions of visitors in your landing page, and how those website works and how to work on this website. You know that YouTube, Facebook, Quora, Instagram, those are the important and most usable websites in the world. So their restrictions are very high, and sometimes you post it, but Facebook or any other those platform block those post, or even they delete your account or block your account from Facebook or YouTube, Quora, etc. So the basic thing is, they don't follow the right strategy they have to follow, because there is some important restrictions you have to maintain and promote your CPA or affiliate offers in those websites. You obviously know that YouTube have a millions of billions of traffic, and the CTR of YouTube videos are mostly 2% and highly 50%. So if you think that you make a great thumbnail and upload a video, then you can make real money. And the strategy is in here, that suppose your niche is uh, a face no PayPal gift card. So what happened? You can see he have more than 42,000 views. If I show like view count result, he have 2.4 million views, 2.1 million, 1.2 million, etc. But you can see he have most time for it. He have the video is 2 years ago and 1 years ago. The thing is, we have to follow the right strategy. You don't have to make videos to promote on uh, YouTube, and you don't have to create videos like me. You just have to follow that. Suppose you want to promote a gift card offer of people. Now you have to go on filter section, then click on Creative Commons. There is no Creative Commons option I can see, but yes, features, on the features section there is Creative Commons. So here you can see those videos. There are many videos. So those videos are actually creative under Creative Commons license. That means you can download this video, edit this video, and post those type of videos. Okay. So what you will do that you have to download those videos, then uh, you can do brightness level high or low. You have to add something new on the video, normal things, then you can upload it on YouTube, and they will not give you copyright. But there is also a strategy that if you don't edit this that video, so and you have downloaded the video and then uploaded, then YouTube will give you a community guideline strike or community guideline claim sometime. So you have to edit those videos then upload it. Also you have to use tags. Okay, this is a simple way for promoting CP offers with Facebook. So the our next website is Quora. So if I am using incognito window, so on similar web. So what is Quora? Actually, Quora is a Q&A website. Q&A means question and answer website. People ask questions at here, then other people give the answer of these questions. Like some people have asked that what is CPA marketing, and you can see all related their answers. You can see this is the answer, this is the answer, this is the answer. So you have to also do this on this network. You also have to answer them those people. But in Quora restriction, I think you have to you should not add links on your answer at first, because Quora will think this is a spam. If you also search that ask a question, how to get a free sorry PayPal gift card, and search here. Now questions, you have to click on questions. How to Okay, there is a simple mistake in my how to get. Here is a how do I get a free. Okay, so here is a question. You can see, how do I get a free $750 PayPal gift card. So you can see those people are using those answer for their CPA offers. You can see this is also a CPA offer. You can see all CPA hopper have a tracking ID. You can see I can understand those links. You have to understand that those people, you can see currently dot the URL, because the link is shortened. So I know where they have get this offer. If you click at here, you can see he has used a Google site template. Okay, he has made this landing page with Google sites. So if you want to know how to make those types of thumbnails, landing page with googlesite.com, then give me a comment and subscribe to my channel for more latest videos, and I will make a full great videos about Google sites. This is a free website for making landing pages. Okay, I have also make a video about landing page. You can see I will give it to my I button or on the description box. Thank you. So I will close this. So this is the way how you can promote your offer via Quora. So at a similar way, we will see how much traffic come to Quora. This is a very famous website, and now we will analyze this website. Control V. Okay, Quora.com. You can see the site is loading. The global rank is 60 uh, all over the world, and on the United States the rank is 44. So you can understand how many visitors come from United States. Also, Quora have a paid promotion uh, website like a Google Ads or Bing Ads. They have also a Quora Ads. If you want to know about those videos, please give me a comment on my this video. So all of the analysis is here on the similar web, and the similarly ranked site as this. On our next suggestion is Instagram page. So what is Instagram page? You always knows about Facebook or any other pages. People make Facebook pages. So this is a Instagram page. The page name is Answer and Win. If you don't understand, please give me a comment. I will reply your comment if you don't understand this. So here this person have 44 followers and 23 following, but the thing is this is a low level page. More I have seen more than 50k, or I have to go on my real skin. Okay, so instagram.com. and I have to search answer and win. There is also a website gift card giveaway 2022. Okay, gift card, and you can see this website only promote gift card offers, and here is a link anycode.codescollect.com. If we visit this website, then the link is unlocked from my country. So I think he is also promoting CPA offers, and the page name is gift card every gift card giveaway 2022, and he have more than 453 posts. Followers are 24,800, and he is following 4,384 people. So this is very exciting because this person, I really trust you that this person is making money very highly, and this is the way for make money with the Instagram. I will make a video on this topic on the next day. So if you want the video, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Our next option is Facebook. So I should tell anything any other thing about this website, that here you can see he have a mathematics calculation. So he asks that tell me the answer of this. So 5 plus 5 plus 5, that means 50, 55, 15. That means this answer is easy, and he will say that if you can answer it, then tell me in my email or my comment. I will give you a free PayPal gift card if you can answer it. Then he give the CPA link, and the person fill up it, then get a chance for win the PayPal gift card. So this is the simple way. Facebook.com. So I don't want to tell more about Facebook because I have already made a video about Facebook, how you can uh, contact the specific people. So for your easy thing, I repeat the thing again. So this is my original Facebook page. Then I search um, free gift card. Okay, I have to watch the video. So the page has been loaded. You can see this person have 2.3k followers on his page, and you can see he is post uh, easy to get a free Google Play gift card, and he is also, I think, promoting CP offers. So this is very easy. Create a Facebook page or Facebook business page, then promote those types of software. Also here is a opportunity for targeted people. So you have to first know the United States people name. So the name, suppose her name is James. Okay, James. So I will search for James. Okay, now you have to click on the people icon. After the people icon, you can see there is some people, but we will have to use this thing, city United States. Okay, or New York. Okay, new city New York. So now Facebook will show those type of people who lives in United States New York. You can also add the work and educational thing for find more people. So this is how Facebook works. The also like the Instagram and Twitter have all of the same thing, but there is a plus point of Twitter is tweet deck. Sorry, there is tweet deck. So tweet deck, what is tweet deck? We have seen that on Quora people ask questions and people give answer. On tweet deck, this is also a those type of thing that people say I need money, then or the marketers take advantage of it. Here people uh, use that thing. I have already made a video about it, so I don't want to say anything about this video. I will give it the video description or on the I button. Okay, so the Twitter option is over. Then now I will show you uh, Pinterest. So here people create pins. You can see there is a post, CPA marketing make $2,000 a day, $200 a day. So if I sign for PayPal gift card, then now now you can see many people have posting about how to get a free PayPal gift card, $750 PayPal gift card. They promote their CPA offer by this thing. So you have to click on create a pin, but at first you have to create an account on at here on pinterest.com, then create pin. Then you have to build this. How you can build this pin? Go on canva.com, then you have to click on create a design. Okay, create a design, or you can also search it here. um, we have to search it here, Pinterest pin. After clicking on create a design, you will see this box, then click on Pinterest pin. Now at this option you can now edit your Pinterest pin as you want to edit it. I will create a big video about Pinterest on my next videos, so wait for that video and subscribe to my channel for the new video. So thanks for watching the video. Those was the most important and famous ways for get CPA marketing traffic. So if some people use this all of these techniques, I really guarantee you that they can make money. Also you can use a thing that blog. A blog website also can generate many leads. You can use blogger.com for creating a free blog website. So thank you for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We want a simple subscribe from you. That's it.